Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to make a cross-border transfer in the RBC mobile app. Transferring money from your RBC Royal Bank Canadian account to your RBC Bank US account is easy, free, and instant. Here's how you do it. From the RBC mobile app home screen, select Move Money and then Cross-Border Transfer. Next, you'll need to choose the Canadian account you want to move money from and which US account you're moving it to. Don't see your US accounts listed? Make sure to link them first. Enter the amount you want to move and which currency you want it converted to, then press Continue. You'll see a confirmation of the accounts and the current exchange rate. After that, if you're ready to transfer, press Transfer Now, and your transfer will be complete. If you check your US account, you'll see the funds were transferred instantly. And that's all there is to it.